This mxuteuk Screws Assortment Kit provides a very generous range of machine screws, nuts and bolts in both metric and SAE threads, making it a versatile choice for mixed standard projects. The selection covers common small hardware sizes used in electronics, home repairs, hobby builds, and automotive work, so you are unlikely to be hunting for a missing size mid-project. Made from high-strength grade 10.9 alloy steel, the fasteners feel solid in hand and are well suited for applications that demand reliable clamping force and durability. The hex socket button head design is easy to drive with the included hex wrenches, which helps prevent cam out and reduces the chance of damaging screw heads in tight spaces. Each size is clearly separated in a sturdy organizer box with labeled compartments and diagrams, so finding the right piece and keeping everything tidy is straightforward. For anyone who frequently assembles or repairs equipment, this comprehensive kit can significantly cut down on trips to the hardware store while providing consistent, dependable hardware on hand.